Hello and welcome back to Gossipfunda, and in this video we're gonna talk about an issue of the application Clapper. So the Clapper application is not working, and in this video we're gonna see some possible ways to fix it. So the Clapper application requires an internet connection to work, and that's why first of all check the internet connection, and also make sure to check the server status of Clapper. Sometimes the Clapper application won't work because of the down services, which you can check it on the social media handles of the Clapper application. Also, the Clapper application is not available in some countries, which means that their services are also unavailable, and if you are in such countries, then the Clapper application will not work. If still the application is not working, then first of all clear the cache data of Clapper, then force stop the application, then update the application and restart your device, and your issue will be resolved. And still if your application is not working and keep crashing, then simply install this application Android System Web View. Although this is an inbuilt system software, but in some case it was missing, and if it is already installed, then simply update it. So these were some ways by which you can easily fix your issue. I hope this video was useful to you. Make sure to like, share and subscribe.